Hey Koala Unicorns, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the part 2 to life as a squishy scammer. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, I just got a new squishy package today and it came in this very thin plastic bag. And I did order sturdy packaging, but I guess that's okay. So first I'm just going to get something else. I did not order this, so this must be an extra. So thank you so much. But it does have some defects, like a really big defect on the neck, some little defects, but I guess that's okay because it's an extra. But I did order the mini iBloom hamster. So I'm really excited for that squishy, but here's the extra. It's pretty squishy actually. It's just having some major neck defects and a little bit of tail defects, but oh well. Next thing I pull out, ooh, this isn't my Punimaru Jumbo Pretzel. I'm pretty sure this is not the Punimaru Jumbo Pretzel, but it's still really squishy, even though it's not the real one. So yeah, next. I found packaging and I feel like a squishy got out, but oh well. We will. What is this? So this must be another extra because I didn't order this. I didn't order a paper squishy, but I did order the Aaron apple, so I'm really excited about that squishy too. So yeah, thanks so much for these two extras. Next thing I pull out, what is this? This is in such jumbo packaging. The packaging is bigger than my face. But here it is. It's this Hello Kitty donut that I ordered. It's really surprising. Guys, do you see this crack? I need to take it out of the packaging. Guys, there's so much defects. Oh no. Here's a friend. And the ball chain did get pulled out by someone. And the ears are almost falling off. But it's still a pretty nice squishy. So yeah, I'm just a little disappointed that it is defected, but. And this did take 2 months to ship. Next thing is my iBloom gummy bear. But this is obviously not the iBloom gummy bear. This is probably like from Squishy Squad or something. And yeah. Oh! Wait, no, please. It would have been a good squishy, but they just had to scam me. I have a feeling that I'm getting scammed now, but just keep our hopes up. So yeah. So far, I only got one thing that I wanted, and it was the Hello Kitty donut, and it was defected. What is this? So this must be another extra. She gave me used packaging tape. Thank you. But here it is. because it's like used up already. And like, it says Scotch packaging. But, okay. Next thing. My Cutie Creative cookie! But I did, again, order the jumbo version. And this is not the Cutie Creative cookie. As you can see, there are some defects. But I'm not taking this one out because I was supposed to give it to a friend. But as you can see, since there are some defects, I will have to give her my own Cutie Creative jumbo cookie. Now, I'm definitely getting scammed because this is like really hard. Still pretty squishy, but really hard. Okay. Next, she gave me a taped face thing, which is creepy. So that must be another extra. And I don't see my mini iBloom hamster, so I'm guessing this. And this packaging is supposed to be my mini iBloom hamster. Oh, and the last thing she gave me was a pencil sharpener, which has been used. And again, I don't see my Erin apple, so this is my Erin apple. This is a piece of paper. Ugh. As you can see, it's not sterilizing at all. And here's my iBloom Pom Pom hamster. Guys, I'm getting really mad right now because I'm getting scammed. I definitely need to contact them. Send. Okay, thanks for watching Color Unicorns. This was a skit or a spoof, whatever. So thanks for watching and bye!